It was a warm day across the valley. It's still a warm evening. Temperatures holding upper 70s and low 80s valley-wide right now. It's 80 in Port Isabel. Same thing at Edinburg. Harlingen checks in at 79. Let's watch future track, shall we? Raymondville 78, by morning 75, 76. Everybody 74, 75, 76, a little warmer. Brownsville and South Padre. That's 8 a.m. That's where we start the day. Those are somewhat typical of a summer day. And then afternoon, oh, look at those temperatures. Everybody up right near 100. I think it'll probably be warmer than what the model's showing in Starr County. Probably 104, 105, maybe 106. Raymondville should top out around 99 or 100. Even Brownsville, the model's saying, goes to 100 tomorrow. The exception to the heat will be at the coast, about 82 at the island. A much cooler day there than the rest of the valley. So if you want air conditioning, let's go across the causeway. Then Thursday morning, we start a little cooler. A weak front comes in, and then the daytime highs, yes, still warm, but not as warm as tomorrow. But then we do it again. Let's go to Friday. We start again in the mid-70s, and by afternoon, we're up over 100 in the western part of the valley again. So some very warm days ahead. Take a look at the next 7, and tomorrow, one of the warmer ones. We cool off a little on Thursday, then back to 100 Friday, 102 Saturday. Then a stronger front comes in early Sunday morning, and then only 83 on Sunday, 86, 89 for Monday, Tuesday, back to normal or so. Satellite radar showing patchy clouds overhead tonight. They will continue to thicken up overnight. You may wake up to some thick clouds early, but boy, I tell you what, if they're there, they're going to burn off quickly, and temperatures are going to start going up. Let's talk about why. There's front in North Texas. That's not going to impact us tomorrow, but out ahead of that, a dry line. A dry line just means the winds are going to shift and drier air is going to come down off the Mexican plateau downhill. A northwesterly wind is going to bring that hot air into our region. It's already starting hot, and then it goes downhill and compresses and gets even hotter. And it's not just here at the surface, but you go up 5,000 feet, it's hot up there as well. So that's going to make for a very warm day tomorrow. The exception may be the island, because you may not get that northwest wind, and even if you do, it's got to come across the bay, and that'll cool it a little bit. Well, by Thursday, the front pushes south of us, stalls, and moves back to the north. So we got a temporary cool down Thursday. Then by Friday, the front's out of here again, so we got a southerly wind kicking in. Then temperatures get hot again. Saturday, hot again. In the meantime, it gets messy up north. Big time showers and thunderstorms from North Texas up into Oklahoma. That front pushes in pre-dawn Sunday. Slightly cooler air then builds in for early next week, but you can kind of see how things are going to play out. Got a couple of fronts, but they're not huge. But certainly some hot weather before the front gets here. The only chance of rain we see is about a 5% chance pre-dawn on Sunday with that front. Big rain to the north of us, but most, if not all of it, should stay to our north. So tonight, about 74 for a low, an average high tomorrow of 101. With plenty of afternoon sunshine, it will be a very warm day, as will Friday and again Saturday. Thursday, a brief break, and then Sunday we finally cool it back off, kind of break the heat for a little while. 83 Sunday, back in the mid to upper 80s on Monday and Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.